Ice
Lead district
cookies with
representatives
milk.
nato nga atong na
Everyone sa mga wala pa naka-attendance.
Ako na sa nato ang camera. Sige. Okay na. Sige no. So let's continue.
The next one, you're gonna pour in the...
Which one?
Okay, pour it in. Oh, okay. Slowly. Slowly.
We also heard, of course,
Slowly.
a message from the ACU.
Mm-hmm.
Ang Federation.
Okay, how about the other one? The one with the milk. That's okay. Okay. Now we have to... Okay.
Top?
Yep. Okay, stop. Oh, that's a busload. Okay, now we need to put some milk. And we also have to put some sugar.
To make it so yummy.
Ni, mga 5 sugars. Ni, kagamay.
We are already 9 million sa ato.
1. Kagamay atong isa. Gamay ra eh. Sige. 2. Daghan na.
Nagkakabang nato billions. Makita nato dito. Later on ato makita itong ato ang
3.
net
Sige, 1 last.
Siyempre na naman mo makita.
Okay, 4. Alright, now we have to cover. Wait lang. Go, chop some more.
Yay! Chop!
Okay, now it's ready.
Let's see if it's yummy.
Okay, try it.
And ipakita ko ang the i-award ng governor nato na atin ang inahan.
Can I try?
Kapag sa tuay.
It has ice and I like it.
124. Okay,